Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Webex recordings from trash and retention easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Webex recordings from the trash, start by logging into your Webex account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Recorded Meetings section. Here, you will see a list of your recordings. Look for the option labeled Trash or Deleted Recordings. Click on the Trash folder to view your deleted recordings. You will see a list of recordings that are currently in the trash. Identify the recording you wish to restore. Select the checkbox next to the recording for restoration. After selecting the recording, look for the Restore option. Click on the Restore button to begin the restoration process. A confirmation message may appear, asking you to confirm your choice. If prompted, confirm the restoration of your selected recording. The restored recording will return to your My Recorded Meetings section. Check to ensure your recording is now visible in the main list. If it's not, refresh the page or recheck after a moment. Keep in mind that recordings are only available in the trash for a limited time. If your recording is not in the trash, you may need to check retention policies. Contact Webex support for assistance with recordings outside the retention period. Now you have a restored Webex recording ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.